the hills of Tuscany, there's a place called the House of Solidarity, a commune that shares ideals, lifestyles, and traditions. And in November of each year, the families come together to share the ancient labor and rewards of the land, the production of olive oil. The process begins with the laying out of nets to catch the olives. Then the labor begins, the long and repetitive task of raking rather than picking the olives from the branches. Once the trees have been cleared, it's necessary to roll up the nets and transfer the olives to sacks or totes for temporary storage. When enough olives are accumulated, it's time to transfer them to the mill. The oil comes from the fat of the olive, and in the old days they were squeezed with stone presses. Today, modern technology makes the process less labor-intensive. Machines separate the olives from the leaves and the twigs, then wash them in preparation for pressing. Once pressed, the paste is slowly stirred to combine the microscopic oil drops. Paste is then passed into a centrifuge to separate the oil from the water. Technology measures the tricky balance between accumulation and temperature. Unfiltered olive oil is green and cloudy, while filtered olive oil is gold and clear. Both the green and gold oil is considered virgin olive oil at this stage. Once back at the House of Solidarity, the oil is distributed to the various family casks, and then dinner is served. And naturally, olive oil is included. These traditions seem ancient in the Tuscan hills, especially when looking down at the lights of the towns in the valley. Speaking of traditions, pass me another glass of wine, per favore.